use GDC to solve a simultaneous equation, right? From menu, go to algebra, and you have number 1, numerical solve, number 2, solve system of linear equation, right? So let's have a look at this. And how many equations do we have? We have 2, and the variables are x and y, and we can put the exact equation as you have in the question. Okay. And then here will be 2x plus y equal 5. Alright, and this, they have a comma here, x and y as the variable, and you can enter. So we got, as I mentioned, x and y. So the first value will be x and the second value will be y. Okay, so the next part, how we plot this, or how we get the intersection points for these two linear equations, for these two linear graph, using GDC, right, tab, you can add page, from control add page, so add graph. Okay, the first graph will be y is the fx here, you can just put 4x plus 1, and it will be plotted. And the second equation we need to rearrange. We make y as the subject, as the function, it's in the y. Okay, so we graph entry, function number 1, and we put here negative 2x plus 1 after we rearrange our equation. So we get here, now we can see it clearly, and I want to introduce functions, how to get the intersection point. Here you can go analyze graph. So we have a lot here. Number 1 is 0, minimum, maximum, intersection, and the rest. So we're going to use intersection. So they're going to ask lower bound. What is the lower bound? So just click here, and they're going to ask upper bound, and they're going to sheet that, and we can see intersection appear there. Okay, so we get the point here. Okay, we can move this part, and if you want to find the intersection with the x-axis, menu, analyze graph, it will be 0 and y equals 0. So which graph? And then we click this, the lower bound, okay, press, and the upper bound. You can see the trace where it crosses the x-axis. So it is negative 0.25. So we can get further in the other line. Menu, analyze graph, 0, this graph, and lower bound is here, the upper bound is here. We can get 2.50 as the x-intercept.